My name is Riley with Off Leash K9 Training in Canton, Ohio. Here with me today is Miss Mila. She is a 1-year-old mini golden doodle who just completed our 2-week board and train program. Mila's owner's biggest concern and the main reason she was sent to us was because of her reactivity issues. Mila had some reactivity issues towards people and other dogs, but mainly surrounding her owner. It was hard for Mila's owner to take her anywhere because anytime she'd see a person, she would bark to protect her owner. So over the last 2 weeks, we worked really hard to expose her and build her confidence away from her owner so that when we get the two of them back together again, Mila understands how she should behave in public. Let's check out Mila when I first met her on day 1. This is my first time working with Mila. I'm asking her to come to me, but she's really not interested in coming towards me. She's more interested in seeing what's going on around her. Here, I'm trying to ask Mila for a sit. Instead of sitting, she just decides to jump all over me instead. And the same thing happens when I try to ask her for a down. She doesn't lay down, she just wants to jump all over me some more. For me, Mila wasn't terrible to walk with. She didn't pull super hard on the leash, she didn't react really to people, but with her owner, she reacted a lot more. Mila is a sweet girl who really does mean well, but just needs a little bit more structure and boundaries. She did really great in our program, and I can't wait to show you her progress. Let's check out Mila after 2 short weeks of training.